Okay, you see from the Walmart. Now this is a Walmart at I-20. Yeah, Walmart at I-20 here in Grand Prairie. And you see they have a lot of 22 long rifle. So now I couldn't show you in the video because there's a whole bunch of CCI Stinger and CCI Mini Mag behind the giant black stickers. So you can see that, but they have a whole bunch of the CCI Mini Mag and Stinger as well. But I did manage to get me 3 boxes of this Winchester 5.55 round. I mean, yeah, it works, but you know, like I like the Mini Mag better. They're more reliable. But anyway, you get more bang for your buck. This bulk pack 5.55, and that came out as at $23.18. So Walmart still have the ammo limit of 3 box per person, any kind of box. So I managed to get 3 Winchester bulk pack. They still have plenty if you guys came here early. And yeah, they have plenty of 22 long rifle. I see some 308. I mean, technically speaking, you know, in terms of hunting rifle and 22 long rifle, Walmart still have the best price. Yeah, man. So yeah, they still have the best price. But yeah, they're kind of anti-gun, but they do have the best price. So why not, you know, came by here to check out some gaming laptop for my sister. She needs one. And yeah, so but boy, a lot of like gaming stuff, anything's like sold out right now. Good luck getting anything decent, you know, for your money. You have to pay arm and leg to get anything these days. So yeah, that's Walmart. I am here at Bass Pro, and as you can see from my video, a lot of ammo are going back in stock. And you know, like, the price is still high. I didn't get anything for today or the other day. So I think the situation is getting better as far as ammo goes. There's plenty of 5.56 9mm target ammo. Is nowhere to be found at Bass Pro or Academy, because you know they're more affordable than Shoot Point Blank, which are selling the 9mm, a box of 50 for like 37 bucks, 35 37 bucks. It's ridiculous. But Bass Pro and Academy, the price is still, you know, better than most places, as well as Cabela's. So that's the situation here in Dallas Fort Worth. I am on my way to my eye doctor for my LASIK surgery that I got over a month ago. It's still not 100%, but we'll see what's going on. And also I'm giving away some stuff during July 4th or after July 4th. I'm not really sure. So make sure you subscribe to my channel, like, and all the good stuff. And I'm gonna do some giveaway. I'm gonna have another video talking about all this craziness going on in this country right now. Yeah, so yeah, don't forget to like, subscribe, share the video. This is V Crypto Viral signing out.